Hello, this is Davide Biocchi speaking, and this is my weekly intermarket analysis. Let's start with the euro dollar that, as we can see, recently showed a euro that is stronger than the dollar. So recently we have seen the price from 1.06 here coming up and test the intermediate level of at around 1.09. Next level will be 1.10 up here, and then the top here of the sideway, of the long-term sideway that we can assume as main target. If the price will go down, probably we can see another test at 106. Below that level is 1045, the next area of support. This is for what concerning the euro dollar, that have for sure an impact on commodities like the crude oil that was moving in a sideway for weeks, and only today is going down below the level of 76. That is the bottom of the sideway that we have seen for more or less 1.5 months. And here we are with this increasing volatility, and especially one day after the OPEC Plus meeting, we can see the price going down. So next step will be probably the area around $72 per barrel below here, and at the end the price of 67. For what concerning the gold is still in a process where we can clearly see that there's a sideway 2,280 to 2,450. More or less, we are in the middle where there's another very small sideway. Below the level here, we can see probably the price going down to 2,280 if in the case it will happen. On the other side, we can even look at what we know as the Treasury long term. Here we have, let's say, recently seen the price trying to move above the level of 92.3, that is the main old support, now resistance on this very important ETF. The price was, let's say, the attempt to go above this level was rejected recently, but let's see if the market will be able to do that again very soon. Let's start with the stock indices, and let's start with the Euro stock that is in the attempt to try for the third time to reach a level up there that we can see easily here in the chart. Will it be able? Well, obviously there is an attempt, and the market, let's say, are in work in progress for a reversal pattern after we have seen 1 week very weak for the stock indices. So let's see. This is the week for the ECB to discuss about the interest rate and to take a decision, and this will impact the market. Let's see if it will start again moving up. Very similar situation we have on the DAX. The DAX was able recently to go for another all-time high, and the price is not so far. Recently, the level of 18,400 that is here was tested, and the support worked. The reaction is still in progress. Let's see what is going to happen. Not so far is the situation that we have on the US indices. The S&P 500 on Friday was able to find the potential, let's say with the shadow below here, for a reversal that need to be confirmed today. But in this case, we will see a new level above there that will be also a new all-time high. Is this reality? Well, let's see in the next market session. And something similar we can see on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq was not so strong as the S&P was, because we have seen some sales coming on the tech sector. But on Friday we have seen a reaction, and today prices are already doing good. So let's say this is the big week that we have here. The shadow below here is telling us that probably this pattern will be completed very soon. So thank you very much for this. See you next week. Bye bye from Davide. Ciao ciao.